You're supposed to be watching this thing.
Okay, I'm parking the bus stop. This is what you need, right?
And we need an axle that's
that
usable.
axle was a 25, just like I said.
25?
So it's fixed.
What do you mean, 25 or 1 inch?
It was a 25 millimeter. And you know, you kept saying Jim said it was 1 inch. It's a 25 millimeter axle.
Jim said it was 1 inch. I said that Harley Davidson gave me that bearings for the fucking axle. It fit when I put the wheel on the first time. The second time it was a little bit sketchier. Then the third time.
Go check on your axle. I can move that from. Hey Ryan, will you hand me those keys that are right there in that beanie right behind you?
It's fucking brand new.
We're video. What's square up there?
Oh.
We're doing it the old-fashioned way. Call it lapping compound and make it work.
No swearing.
I was not a swearer.
Show me your keys.
Why? Oh, you're gonna move my car?
Yeah, I'll slide it back.
I gotta go, dude. I was going to a meeting when you called me. Yeah, my car's running.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was going to a meeting right now. Thank you. Alright.
He's got.
Under a fucking inch, Brian.
Ah.
I just found bearings.
Have him measure.
This here?
Yeah, it's actually 25 millimeters over 1 inch.
So this is under. That fucking that bearing is under. You got calipers handy?
Nico.
You don't need them?
Stupid thread just locked up. That's the end of that axle.
Is it?
Got enough to welded itself to the thread.
Yeah, I need a new one. No, it welcome to the thing or whatever. I didn't think it was going to be able to be done.
Well, it was a waste of time. It is a waste of time.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here, Leslie. I'm pretty sure it's going to be destroyed now. It's all the way on. The threads are just wadding up in there, you can feel it. Ooh. It just locks up going in either direction. Yeah, it's not happy at all. This must be stainless steel. Stuff just dulls up like crazy. It's full of lapping compound, it should stick. You can hear it.
Yeah.
Just wadding it up. It's on there a long ways too. So. Garbage. No threads, this comes off. I went all the way on because it was going good. It locked up. Of course, it locked up all the way on, so whatever thread is bad, it's going to tear up all the way out.
Tatro, thanks for the assistance.
Anyways, have it off here for a couple minutes and we'll see how much damage it's done. Re-locking up on me. It starts to come off and it locks up the rest of the way up.
It's weird because it seemed like it went on pretty well.
It was going pretty good there once I got that in the bad spot, but it welded itself.
Yeah, it seemed like it got kind of fucking shitty right at the end. It locked itself on because I watched you thread it all the way down till it met the collar there. Now it's going alright.
It ain't alright, it's coming off though.
I don't know why you're still messing with it. It's junk, man. Throw it away.
Junk until I say it's junk. It's just garbage right now. Yeah, there's good threads in there, see? Top of the threads are gone.
Oh, she's warm. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all the threads I cut are now gone.
Yeah.
I eat them all off. So the 5 threads I cut, gold up.
They held up?
Gold up.